Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a miniature clipboard. I can think of literally a million ways to use this clipboard. So you can use it in the kitchen to keep track of your recipe. You can use it to hold pictures of your friends and family. Or pictures of yourself as a baby. You can give it to your dog so he can be kept on task. Are you going to do it all? You can use it out in the shop to keep track of projects. You can give it to your baby so he can be kept on task. You can use it as a grocery list. Let me know in the comments below how you would want to use it. We're going to use a Forstner bit to hog out a little bit for the magnet and the rivet. The important part, don't go all the way through with the Forstner bit. Don't. If you end up getting ceramic magnets instead of rare earth ones, I suggest putting a little bit of clear nail polish on them. That'll stop them from scratching up your fridge. I hope you enjoyed that video, making these miniature clipboards. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more from me, click the circle over here to subscribe to my channel. Click the box over here. You'll see another video. Cheers.